Hey, what is up guys? It is 321 Shoe back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a Crimson Invasions and a nepstrious and rocktavor unboxing. For the double pack, this is nepstrious Armed Zephyr and rocktavor Heavy Survive. I'm going to get the Beyblade booster unboxing out of the way. I mean the Pokemon booster if I said Beyblade. That's why I was like that. Because in the other pack, the cards had something pressed onto it. And now I realize it's from this card. Because the machine pressed on the cards. Here is the code. Now it's for the Crimson, it's 4 from the back. It's a Fairy Energy, a Swinub, Nummel, Minchino, Execute, Jigglypuff, Shinicho, and a Regirock. This is supposed to be the regular rare, but I did the card trick wrong. And here's a Mawile, a Lauren, I actually think this card is in the booklet. Here it is. Apparently, oh yeah, here it is. Regirock. There we go. Now let's get on to the Beyblade unboxing. And at Toys R Us, I think I don't know for how long, but a lot of toys are on for 40% off. And I'm gonna say some prices, like the boosters for these ones, it was $4.99, and then when I counted 40% off, it said 20, or not 20, but $2.99. Now let's get these out. There we go. Here is Zephyr. It's basically like a whole flat. And it does have some stamina. And here's Survive. Here is Heavy and Armed. This looks big, but it doesn't have any weight to it. Heavy is, well, of course, heavier than that. And here is Rocktavor and Nepstrious. Here are the codes. Now I'm going to put them together. If I do get money in the future, more money, I'll probably go online and buy the original tops. I already have this one, but I'll probably get the Nepstrious, Unicrest, and Valtryek. Now let's do a test battle. Are you kidding me? That burst afterward. Well, I'm gonna count that as a spin finish. That point goes to rocktavor. Okay, that was a burst. Rocktavor wins. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.